Oh, the steam on that one. Oh my god.
And I'm a happy man.
I bet you are. Let's grub. Empty.
I guess it doesn't even matter.
Look though.
Yeah, it's got that spice.
I wonder if it's good with an egg roll.
Oh, that's why I got it.
Oh, really?
You can taste the egg roll first, like your standard bite.
No, I'm too lazy. It's an egg roll. Okay. Oh yeah, you're better than me.
What is it, Jordan?
Oh, bro. Okay.
I don't care if we double dip, we're both bros, so. Chunks of garlic and spices.
Glad I'm not going on a date today. It's like egg roll.
Yeah. Now you see why I was hyped, right?
Fresh too. Really fresh. One more.
I feel like this is the Joe Rogan podcast.
Yeah.
Eating.
They call those mukbangs.
What are they called?
Mukbangs. You just sit and eat.
Converse.
So people love it.
I mean, dude, I could get with that. I think that'd be a cool thing. Instead of talking about dumb stuff, you can have fun.
Oh, why is that?
Whoa.
Little mistake. Okay.
The big bite. Yeah. Get water.
Don't be like me. Don't be stupid.
So I didn't really ask. What are your plans in the next couple of weeks? Maybe even a month?
Huh?
What are your plans?
Well, I'm a teacher, substitute teacher. But I'm looking for another job because I don't want to be a substitute teacher. So I applied to be a dishwasher this morning, which I'm totally fine with. Like, I just put in my headphones and people leave me alone and just wash dishes until I can find a better job than that. I think I'm going back to school in August.
I think there's multiple places over there.
There are. You want one?
Oh yeah, we can just get. Thank you.
Alright, let's go to town. Let's do this.
You know how to open these.
Grab it. Break it in half.
Oh, I'm gonna have to give you guys a good video on how to
Break it in half.
look at that.
Then, yeah. Did they say bite the head?
You
Suck
suck
the-
the head. You
you
suck
suck
the
the
head. Alright. Jordan, you're doing
It's not working. I'm doing it wrong.
Yeah, let me.
I didn't do it right. You do it.
I need to record this.
I am recorded. I did it wrong though.
Hey guys,
You got this.
if you've ever had crawfish, you need to know the right way to do it. So you have the head and you have the tail. What you do is you're going to twist that. Just twist it and pull. The meat's going to come out.
It's much better than
Now
mine.
you have the head. It's full of juice. You suck that. There's a lot of spiciness to it, but that's where all the flavor is. And then with the tail, this is where you get the food out of. So you have this end piece, and you have the body of the tail. You're going to twist this tiny piece of the back, and it's going to come off. Now what you're going to do, you have these segments. You're going to have to twist in the middle of that. Twist in the middle of that, and some of these plates are going to come off. Once those are like that, it's going to be pretty loose, and you're going to pull the big meaty part from like the thorax, and it's just going to slide out. And there you have a big chunk of crawfish here. And you dip it in the butter.
That's a fake dip.
And you enjoy. Did I not touch it?
No.
Oh man. It still tastes great, so no complaints there. Alright Jordan, what'd you learn? Can you demonstrate?
You want me to demonstrate now?
Yeah, let's see this. I've been cracking crawfish for 7 years now.
Alright guys, so you take the crawfish. You take it and you twist it, okay? Just twist it. See, it came out like that. It's all that meat. You take the head, you suck it, get the juices. You see this? You want to take it? You're going to twist it, okay? Yeah.
There you go.
So you're going to do the same thing. Because you want to take out some of these plates, you know? It's coming off, I promise.
Don't expect to come out of here clean.
Oh no, you're going to be messy. And then you want to remove that. You get that big, meaty part. And this is what you're left with. Then you dip it, actually dip it.
Throw in some shade.
Taste it.
Actually, both these taste different than that. So like, if you have your, this is like your true Cajun seasoning. Nice and
Cajun-y?
honestly, it's spicy, but I don't know what kind of sweetness it is. It's not like sugar sweet.
Yeah.
I don't know, just something about it tastes like that deep south feel.
Deep south.
Deep south.
Not that Florida
Not
south,
the redneck kind of stuff.
but like deep south.
Yeah. Cuban, Spanish vibes.
New Orleans?
Yeah. I've never been to New Orleans, actually.
Me neither.
I'd love to make it out there someday.
But I think they have New Orleans in their name somewhere.
Oh, they do. It's on the front of the restaurant. Gosh, it's so good. I love using the fork because then you can just scoop up.
I was gonna call you basic, but that looks so good.
It's not that I want to be fancy. It's just when you get up to like your knuckles and butter. So much better. Oh.
And now I'm gonna do that. I was against it at first.
These egg rolls are something else. I don't even know what's in there. It's like a mystery.
It's good.
See, don't you think? I don't even say cheating. Just bending the rules a little bit once in a while for this.
Yeah, I don't know.
It's worth it, man. If you guys don't know, I actually am vegetarian for the most part.
Yeah.
I don't really eat meat unless.
Here's a vegetarian diet.
Yeah, there you go. Special occasions.
That was good. That was good. I'm gonna try with shrimp this time.
Next time I'm here, I'm definitely gonna have to try the crab. I haven't done that yet. But you don't want to discriminate.
Yeah. I'm gonna try to make it so they can see kind of both of us. No, it's gonna be your turn.
Alright, my turn?
It's your turn.
You got my head cut off, I'm gonna have to like...
You're gonna let the slouch.
I'm gonna keep my spine nice and erect.
That's all you get.
So if you guys don't know, I'm Jordan's friend. I'm Drew. I study at UCF.
They've met you.
Yeah, a long time ago. I had a little bit shorter hair and not quite as much style. So I'm chilling now.
You gotta try it with the shrimp.
Alright, let's see, guys. Oh, it is just like that golden and orange color. Delicious. That is, dude, it's so good.
As my friend Kaylin would say, it slaps.
Yes. Guys, this food slaps. Like, my arteries are probably going to be clogged from all this cholesterol and butter, but like, dude,
It's fine.
I'll just sleep it off.
You don't do this every day.
The American way.
The shade.
If you guys have never had coconut water,
Don't.
Don't listen to him. This stuff is so good, especially if you play sports and stuff. It's got electrolytes and all that good stuff, and it's like has not very many calories.
No, I hate coconut water.
Refreshing.
Is that how you feel?
Nice, cleans the palate, unlike water.
No, coconut water is disgusting.
Okay, what do you think is better, the crawfish or the shrimp?
I think I like the shrimp more because it's more meat.
Most people say these take too much work to get into, but when you're as good in experience, you kind of just get in a rhythm where you can get it out in like 10 seconds, not even. I personally like it for that briny kind of just ocean taste, because that tastes like shrimp, but this tastes like the ocean.
You know, there's people that eat the inside of the head too.
You know, I've tried that, and there's just like not enough meat for me to
Want to do
consider
that?
it. Yeah, some people are like, you gotta eat the eyeballs, and
People eat the whole thing.
yeah, I don't know, guys. Does this part look appetizing? It's just like baby lobster.
It seems like too much work. I'm gonna have to put a trigger warning in for vegans.
Screen goes red and vibrates.
Your crawfish is good, but like there's not enough meat there.
So no, it has a special place in my heart. My dad made this. We do this thing called like a low country boil. We throw potatoes, corn, crab, crawfish, shrimp, sausage into the mix. We just boil it all down in one pot.
It's good.
And 7-year-old me was just like, this shit slaps. Am I allowed to curse?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Yeah, I was just like, this stuff is amazing. It's had my heart since. Now I just eat tofu because I don't eat meat anymore for the most part. I miss it, but
You have it today.
yeah. Oh gosh.
Today is the day.
The fork method is 100% better.
I'm glad you told me about that. This low-key might be a whole different video.
Honestly.
It's a mukbang.
So, you have any interesting topics we could cover? People always have questions for me. Kind of a unorthodox character. I could say.
If I have questions for you, I usually just ask them. I never save them.
You never save questions?
Not for you, because
No?
it's like I already asked them. You know?
I got you. How about this? Where would you love to travel? Because, man,
Can we talk about something really fast?
yeah. Dude,
You see,
do I sound very weird?
yeah, it's very over the top right now.
Over the top?
Uh-huh.
I got you.
Very normal. Don't be so prim and proper.
For
You're
new
eating
prop.
with your hands right now.
I am. Yeah, I really am. It's gonna be pretty hard to drive, actually. My hands gonna be like slipping all over the
You
wheel.
have to find like a water fountain. This is diabetes.
It really is. But I've been seeing pictures on Instagram of Switzerland recently. I would love to.
You know, they used to have like a really healthy diet.
In Switzerland?
Maybe that or Sweden, one of the two of those trips.
What happened?
They got McDonald's. They saw all of our fast food and they wanted it, so they got it.
I drove through Sweden over the summer. I don't know if I noticed any extra fast food places.
Look at this claw. This thing's angry.
In Norway, I will say that I didn't see one overweight person that wasn't a tourist. Everybody there was tall, thin, not like muscular physique, but they looked pretty healthy.
They had a slim deal.
Yeah,
Build, not deal.
I think part of the reason is a lot of their food, like their fresh food, is cheap because I don't know, you could get a salad there for like $2.
Yeah, we can't do that here. And a lot of it is, our breakfast is pretty much dessert here.
Oh yeah, like French toast. Come on.
French toast. You have donuts.
Cinnamon bun.
They don't eat that for breakfast over there.
One of my favorite breakfast foods that's actually not like bad for you. What are those? It's not an omelet, but it's an egg served and they cook it.
What, quiche?
Is that what it's called?
It might be quiche. Sounds like quiche.
I think that's it. Kind of like, is that Middle Eastern?
No, I think quiche is European.
I don't know, but that stuff is so good.
Look at these cold cuts.
That one's actually, you could probably get meat out of that. Ooh. Oh gosh. It's been real today.
Zip lining is fun.
Ziplining. And honestly, what's better, ziplining or this food?
So, well, I've been ziplining before, but it was good to go with you and Alec. I won't lie about that.
Yeah, I hadn't seen Alec in a while.
Yeah, I saw him yesterday. Or 2 days ago. I saw him very recently. If you would have hung out with us, you would have seen him. No, on Saturday, but you were busy doing other things.
Yeah, I don't think I could have made my way over there, to be honest.
Yeah, I don't think you would have made it. For reasons. I'm getting full in a bad way. I'm really happy about this fork method, dude.
I'm kind of feeling the heat though. Just a little bit. Oh, that was a juicy head. Get mine out of Jordan.
It was funny.
Now, I would go as far to say I could dip the head in and then suck it, but I think that would be too much butter. I'm gonna smell.
Go for it.
I'm gonna smell delightful in the next hour.
Yeah. If you sweat, you're gonna sweat seafood.
You know what?
There's no meat in it.
Gotta embrace it, guys. You see this? You need to get some quality seafood. I think if anybody's here in Orlando, it's called Louisiana Seafood on West Colonial. Check it out.
You heard the man.
Oh my gosh, that one was so good.
Was it?
Not only that, but my favorite childhood movie, Iron Man, is on.
We also got denture stuff. Fat.
That's okay, man. I could live with that.
You can have half of the potato.
Here we go, sharing is caring.
Ooh, what's what I'm gonna do? Take some of this, some potato.
It's like there's juices seeping out of this potato.
Oh. That's a better idea from what I'm trying to do right now. I was just gonna mouth it.
Gonna mouth it? That's a big piece of potato. Just doused. I'm gonna give this a shot.
Dip it in there.
Yeah.
I'll try it too, but why not?
It definitely tastes different.
Two different tastes for sure. Well, we got one more piece. I'm gonna try it here too.
It's slippery.
There's some bacon. spice, Drew?
Overwhelmed. Actually, look at that one.
Yo, that's a nice one.
Hey.
That's got
Yeah,
juice.
we can see who favors what.
Yeah.
A little more crawfish on my plate.
Like, I don't mind it. There's just not enough meat. I like meat.
Yeah, I think next time stone crab. I haven't had a stone crab in a long time. And give that a try.
Sometimes I'm just so lazy and I hate cracking open crabs.
That's true.
Crab was a lot of work.
Seems like seafood might not be your favorite because it involves work. Am I hitting something?
I hate working.
What is your favorite food though?
I love steak.
I love steak too. Like a good steak. That's very true. Oh gosh, my lips are feeling it.
Let it go.
If you could get it any more done than medium rare, we can't be friends now.
Alright guys, it's been fun. Drew and I are no longer friends. I can't. I don't like...
You know, wait, did you get it well done?
No.
Medium.
Medium well.
Medium? Oh my god.
I don't like it bleeding.
I can't believe you.
I don't like it bleeding.
This guy says he likes steak.
Medium well.
Oh man.
I'm not a crook that likes it well done though.
This is a hockey puck.
I know some people that like it more than well done.
You might as well not order steak now. Let's be honest. Personally, if it's not like seeping out juices, I won't eat it.
I went to a restaurant.
Obviously, I won't eat it now.
Yeah. Not today, I'm cheat day. But there's a restaurant that I went to. I won't throw shade at them right now, but you know who you are. I ordered a burger, a deer burger. And I was like, I would like this medium well. The first time they gave it to me rare. I was like, okay, I can't do this. They gave it to me again. Even more rare. I was like, okay, you guys hate me. And then the last time, they gave it to me black and blue. You know what that means?
That means they cooked it over the grill for like 5 minutes on the lowest heat to kill bacteria.
Yeah.
I like it like that sometimes.
It's like disgusting.
It's raw.
It's more than raw. The thing is still alive. Not really, but it might as well still be alive. Huh?
I really like to eat.
No.
I'll try it. I don't know how much.
Like you said, you'll do everything once, but
See, there's a little bit of extra meat in there, but
I'm pretty sure that's their digestive system in there.
it's definitely the digestive system. The corn is yours.
Huh?
The corn is yours. That one too.
You can have that.
Alright, good stuff.
And that. Alright, when you get one good dip. If you're on this for a while, it's gonna juice all over my glasses. I can feel it already. That's my job calling me right now. I'm not gonna answer because I'm eating. That's adorable.
Yeah. Children are great.
Almost all of them.
Have you shared your experiences yet?
No.
Why not? Why don't you?
I don't know if my job would appreciate that. I speak highly of all the schools that I work at. Being a substitute teacher is the greatest experience I've ever had in my life.
Hey, I can tell you one thing. Everything is a learning experience, even if it's unpleasant. So.
What are you talking about? It's pleasant.
It's just say the one time I worked at a warehouse for 2 days, that wasn't a pleasant experience.
I remember that.
I remember, yeah. I met some criminals in there. And it was mind-blowing stuff.
It's very monotonous.
Guys, if you're listening right now, go to college. And if you don't even go to college, don't work in a warehouse because it pays $13 an hour to do nothing because your brain starts rotting.
You can always go to trade school. College isn't for everyone. There's always trade school. You need people with trades, you know? So trade school can be good.
Just imagine 8 hours of not using your brain. Sounds easy, right? It is the hardest thing I've ever done. The minutes feel like hours. And the hours, you start to lose track of time, honestly.
We're going to say the hours feel like minutes?
No, I was going to say the hours feel like days sometimes. But, yeah. Not a pleasant experience. And I learned a lot.
I wish I could relate, but my job is amazing.
Hey, at least you have people that interact with. A lot of those people just wanted to talk about TV shows that they didn't watch.
I talk to children.
Children are some inquisitive little people.
Actually, there's one kid.
They asked some amazing. I know I did.
Yeah, there was one kid that asked me what my favorite movie was, and I was like, you know, I like Spider-Man a lot. He was like, me? I like Star Wars. And I was like, oh, okay. And then he told me all about it and why it was his favorite, and that he didn't like the last two that just came out.
Good.
I was like, dude, you're like 6. It was a good conversation, though.
No,
I like that
I
kid.
can imagine. Like, I used to ask my mom some crazy questions about like how we could travel space and stuff, and like go through the universe. And, you know, your parents don't actually care because they're doing their own thing.
They're just talking.
But then you can have kids like me ask questions like, how do we spell the letter A?
And they're
Trying
just
to
like,
be a smart ass.
And they're just like,
Persistent.
yeah, this will be a good one.
I know I remember that one. You spell the letter A.
It's like, it's A, Drew. It's A.
It's like, it can't be.
Did your mom call you Drew or Andrew when you were younger?
I've been called Drew my whole life. I don't know why I was named Andrew, let's be real.
I'm just gonna call you Andrew to make you mad.
My dad's name is Andrew.
I know. I did my research.
And we call him Andy.
So he doesn't even go by Andrew.
Oh. Doesn't make sense, man.
But he does know.
Don't need to make sense, I guess. But I'll have professionals call me Andrew, like professors and stuff. But once you get to know me, it's like, it's true.
It's like, bro, call me Drew. Getting copyrighted for the news.
Will that actually happen?
They can't see it.
YouTube is becoming like really strict on some things.
It's very strict on everything.
Isn't it like becoming much harder for some people to make some kind of monetization?
Yeah, it really is.
I remember the old days of YouTube, like 7 years ago, like
Like prime YouTube.
I was watching some of those.
Someone, you know Joe. I mean,
Yeah.
no, not Joe. You know Jacob. He asked me to react to Gangnam Style. So I,
2012.
yeah. And I'm like, bro, that song is so old, but you asked me to do it, so I'm gonna do it. It'll be up on Friday. Gangnam Style review up on Friday, guys. Can't wait.
It's just going to be a throwback reminiscent
Yeah,
video.
that's how it was. But I can't give it away.
Yeah, where were you in 2012? Because
I was a teacher at my high school. I taught band.
you know where I was?
In middle school.
Yeah, that's hard to believe. 7th grade, actually.
That was my least favorite grade.
Really? Teacher-wise, or?
Everything was.
So it went down that year, huh?
I don't remember it much. We killed the meat.
I saw a Twitter post and it said, the world already ended in 2012. Could you tell me when something actually made sense the years coming after? Come on, think of all the recent events. It's just gone downhill.
Yeah.
I was kind of referring to that earlier, but I'm not going to get into detail.
Yeah, we're not going to get into detail. But I've got 1,400 subscribers.
Yeah, that's true.
Good for me.
I started making him his YouTube play button, YouTube yarn button.
Yeah, this is the guy that made me my button, guys.
I started making it when he was about to hit 500, but I never got to see him for about a month. And over that month, he went past 500 and way beyond. So I was like,
he gave it to me after 1,000.
Props to you guys, but it was his 1,000 sub YouTube yarn button. It was pretty fun.
It's pretty dope, guys. It's wavy.
It wasn't hard to make either.
How long did it take you?
So, you know how it's like stained? I stained it 3 times, and I sanded it each time. And after that, I had to print out like an outline and nail the nails in to the outline. So that part was super easy. It probably took like 20 minutes. And then you get the yarn and you kind of wrap it around really tight, because if you don't, start unraveling and all your work is ruined. So in total, the wrapping probably took 35 minutes, and each staining process probably took a day for each layer. And cutting the wood was the hardest part because I didn't have a power saw, so I had to use a hand saw. It probably took like 2 hours to cut through each slice, and I had like 14 slices.
That's crazy. So it almost took you a week altogether.
Yeah.
Someone cares about me enough to spend a week working on something, guys. Get you a friend like that.
I spend quite a bit of time cutting. That's because I made probably 6 yarn things for some friends and family.
Did you ever think I have to quit?
Really?
Yeah.
I didn't eat breakfast this morning, so I'm feeling good. I'm feeling really good.
I just know I've had a lot of potatoes and butter, and that my body's like, you shouldn't do this to yourself right now. I could eat more. I don't know. Drink your water, kids.
Your coconut water. This video is sponsored by Foco.
Literal trash.
Foco's gonna hit you up afterward. And they're gonna be like, we'll give you $50 per video to promote our product.
Foco is my favorite water.
This video is sponsored by Foco.
I wish it was sponsored by Foco. I don't even like coconut water, but I like it now.
You listen to this, Foco?
I just hate coconuts. I don't like coconuts at all.
I'm gonna be real. There's not very many foods I dislike. Besides
That sandwich.
and that egg you ate. Yeah, I don't think I could follow through with that. But any, no, I don't want to offend anyone, but like any just like non-exotic food, I like. Because like, I don't know if I would like monkey brains,
Yeah.
but there's no way that's like just typical food like everywhere, you know? You can eat chicken everywhere, you can eat cows everywhere.
That market we went to, they had every part of the pig over there.
Oh yeah, and the duck, remember? No, they had the whole duck like strung up on the wall. I like that place.
Yeah.
Had some fruits I've never seen before.
You gotta go back.
I do.
Not today, I got a lot of editing to do.
We could do a taste test. You know what a durian is?
Durian.
A durian, apparently they smell like a fart.
It's the smelliest fruit on the planet.
But we could do that. Apparently they taste half decent.
Yeah, apparently it tastes fine, but it smells awful.
Never had one.
Some people say it smells like feet, some people say it smells like fart.
It's like, I've heard it's like a creamy taste. Never had a creamy fruit.
Me neither. I'm not a big fan of cream. Get your mind out of the gutter.
You started laughing.
Because you looked at me.
No, I didn't.
You
No,
looked
I
at me.
didn't. I looked at you, and then you laughed, and I looked at you because I saw you laugh.
You laughed first.
You smiled the second you said it.
You smiled first. No, I really don't like creamy things.
You like ice cream?
I don't.
You don't?
And I can't have it.
Oh yeah. We always talk about this. Dairy.
Literally today.
Yeah. Cheese isn't your best friend,
But I like cheese.
dairy.
I like white cheeses and cheddar cheese.
Mozzarella.
Mozzarella's a white cheese.
With a passion. Mozzarella. Tomatoes and mozzarella. That's all I hear.
That's the Italian.
Yeah. I think I'm hitting a limit.
Yeah, it's a lot of food. All right, Drew, you know the deal. I make my guests do food for thought. What you gotta tell them today?
I can just tell them anything. Well, I was just thinking, I hadn't seen you in a while, and a lot of things have changed. So, I would just, you think I look overall happier, more comfortable?
Yeah.
Yeah, over this time that I've been hanging out with other people, and other than Jordan, because he's been away, I kind of figured out that you just need to enjoy doing what you like, and don't really fit in with other people just because you want somebody to be with. Kind of figure out what you like doing and pursuing that. So I started rock climbing, and it's a physical activity that I love, and I meet a ton of cool people. But you also get to like meet like-minded people that just want to have fun and not kind of fit in with whatever everybody else is doing. So just keep doing what you're doing. Like, if you have a true interest, there's always going to be a group out there. Because sometimes it might feel like you're all alone, in, like what you want to do. But there's plenty of other people out there that would be more than willing to hang out and meet up with people. That's all I got to say. I've been reading a lot of books too.
I don't think they care that you've been reading, Drew.
Listen.
I'm kidding.
Hey, how many people?
Reading.
How many do you know? How many people do you know that actually read on like a regular basis?
I have a lot of intelligent friends, Drew.
Really?
I do.
They read a lot.
They do read a lot. I'm the one that doesn't read that much, which is bad. Because
Really?
I'm always doing this.
Hey, you gotta find the time. Gotta find the time. I'm reading this book called Sapiens right now, which talks about the evolution of man from our animal counterparts, and like, it's good to look back, and it's not even history, it's like evolutionary history, so we kind of understand why we act the way we are, because less than 10,000 years ago, we didn't even have civilization. We were walking around the Sahara Desert and Europe and Asia, and we just had group to like 20 people. So sometimes these social issues that come up today, they can be taken back all the way back then to like, they didn't do this. This is completely new.
Yeah.
It's super interesting.
I'll think about reading. Alright guys, it's going to end this video. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, so give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. I'm talking about the mouthful. That's disgusting. I'm sorry. Hold on.
Food is damn good.
Take two. Alright guys, it's going to end this video. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, still give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe so you listen to my future videos. Make sure you follow me on all the social medias at Jordan James for everything. The links are below. And I will see you guys next time here on Hart. Bye.
There's a big claw here.
Eat that claw. Suck that claw.
So let's promote our fall travel deal on choicehotels.com like this. Touch me. Earn 3 nights stages twice this fall.
Oh damn, it was spicy.
Book now at choicehotels.com.